Let's start the car. Let's try again. It still won't start. Do you know why? Let's go to the front. The owner went to several repair shops. He cleaned the throttle. He replaced the spark plug and ignition coil. He also replaced the carbon canister solenoid valve. He spent $3,000. The problem was not solved. In fact, there is a part that is very easy to overlook in the repair shop for this kind of misfire. This part is the camshaft solenoid valve. Today I will take it apart and take a look. Unplug the plug. Open the toolbox. Take out the screwdriver. Loosen this screw. Take out the screw. Be careful. Pull out the camshaft solenoid valve. Okay, I know where the problem lies. Come and see. It's all sludge. No wonder it can't start. Now we know where the problem lies. Then isn't it easy to solve? Next, let's clean it. First, spend $2 to buy a bottle of cleaning agent. Start cleaning the sludge. Wipe it clean with paper. Now the camshaft solenoid valve is clean. Next, let's install it back. First, plug the camshaft solenoid valve back, then screw it on. Plug in the plug. Next, let's get in the car and try it. See if it can start. Dear, I share car knowledge every day. It's really not easy. I hope you can click like. That will be the biggest help to me. If you follow me, then you can leave a message in the comment area if you have any car problems in the future. I will help you solve it in the next video. Let's continue. Let's start and try. The car is fixed. Isn't this knowledge very practical? Follow me. There is more car knowledge on the homepage.